Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandhya Singh here, and today I'm gonna show you a DIY hair spa which is going to be super easy, super affordable, and obviously 100% effective as well for damaged hair. So many of you requested me that to do something, to tell you something for your damaged hair. There are not a single reason for damaged hair. Many reasons are there, like our lifestyle, our dieting, and overheating, using of a straightener, and pressings, rebonding. There are many reasons that cause damaged hair, as I have too, but I have less than you. But yes, I do have lots of split ends because I haven't taken my haircut since 14 months. So let's begin with the concept. I'm starting with taking some coconut oil. You can adjust the quantity according to your hair volume. I know how much I need for my volume. Next, I'm adding one vitamin E capsule. This is very necessary for this hair spa. Next, I'm lip warming the oil. You need to lip warm or hot oil for this hair massage. Don't burn yourself. For application, let me show you my hair condition now, and you can see I have less dandruff than before. Last time I was suffering terrible dandruff. I treat all my hair problem with this lukewarm oil. I just love this. When you use normal oil, it give you different result, and when you do oiling with lukewarm or hot oil, it give different result, because lukewarm oil increase the blood circulation and thus help your hairs to grow stronger, faster, and smooth and shinier. Oh, I have zero hair fall. Wow, that's great. And as you can see, ends of my hairs, they are not so frizzy, not so damaged. Only problem I'm suffering is of split ends. They are so good. And you can also notice that my hairs have grown really long. Wow, that's why I haven't take cut since 14 months. Using coconut oil is totally optional, because coconut oil work best for me, that's why I mostly use it. But you can use any other oil like castor oil, olive oil, that work better for you, that work best on you. Try that. Why coconut oil? Coconut oil works so well to recondition dry and damaged hair because of its molecular structure. Coconut oil helps in repair your hair from the inside out and helps prevent further damage. Apply more coconut oil on your dry, tangled, frizzy hair. This is one of my favorite application method. By this way, each and every strand get coated by coconut oil and whatever product I use. So I would suggest you to do oiling by this using cotton. This is the best method to apply oil to each and every strand and to each and every root. For dry and excessive dry hairs, you can leave this oil for overnight and then wash off next morning. For oily and greasy scalp, leave it for 2 or 3 hours and then wash off. Why I use vitamin E? Vitamin E helps you to give a healthy scalp, as it has natural antioxidant effect that could assist with maintaining hair growth. It also helps to prevent hair loss. It increases and adds shine to your hairs. It also prevents frizzy hairs. It promotes and fastens hair growth. The other way to use vitamin E capsule is to add in your shampoo, conditioner, your hair packs. Although I'm telling you 2 steps in this video, but if you are gonna regular with this step only, like hot oiling with vitamin E capsule, then you don't need to use any other pack, any other step, any Vaseline, anything. You can continue with this only and you will have gorgeous hairs with this only. For my hair length, I am taking 1 spoon of Vaseline and 1 spoon of coconut oil. I did mix 1 vitamin E capsule also, but I lost the clip of that. And now I am melting the Vaseline and coconut oil by using double boiler process. Here my Vaseline lotion is ready. This has very thick consistency. No matter how dry your hairs are, no matter how frizzy they are, tangled they are, this Vaseline will resolve all your hair problems. It makes my hairs greasy because my hairs are already greasy, but still I'm doing this to show you. Apply Vaseline lotion, mixing it with vitamin E and coconut oil, whatever oil you like you can mix it with, and apply it on your hair length, on your hair tips, and then see the results. That going to be so amazing. I don't use Vaseline on my scalp because I already have greasy scalp. Once I apply Vaseline, it takes me 3 or 4 washes
to get removed completely. That's why I'm scared of using Vaseline on my scalp. But if you have dry scalp or super excessive dry scalp, then you can use Vaseline on your scalp. I'm gonna keep my hairs like this for 2 hours and then wash off. So guys, give it a try and share your results with me. I hope you like this video. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel, share my video, like my video, help me to reach larger, and I will be back soon in couple of days. Till the next time, take care, bye bye.